Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 8 useful math related function in C++. Let's begin by creating 3 variables. Let's type double x is equal to 3, then double, let's consider y is equal to 4, and third variable is z. Let's just declare the variable, don't assign any value. The first useful math related function in the max function, which will return greater of two values or variable. I will assign the result within. Let's just go ahead check which one is greater. Okay, then I will assign that result into z, then std followed by caller max value of x and y variable. Then let's take a output, print output std followed by caller cout insertion operator and z. Right, this function will compare x and y, and whatever will be the greater that will return as a output. Let's just save the program, Control S and hit run. When we will compare x and y, what should be the answer? Answer should be 4, right? There you are. We have 4. But we have to just write here some message. Okay, so just print some message that will be better. Okay, your value, right? Then Control S, hit run. There your value is 4, right? And there is a alternative function that's called min. We can use min to find the lower number. Okay, we have found here the greater number. Now we have to find the smallest number among. Then we can write z is equal std followed by caller min and min x and y. Okay, and now it will give you what is the smallest number. Okay, just press Control S, hit run. What should be the answer? Answer should be 3, right? Because among 3 and 4, the lower number is 3. There you are. We have your value is 3. So the minimum between these two values would be 3. So that max and min function we have used, right? Now the rest of these functions are found within the C math header file, that top of our file. Let's just include C math, right? Include C math. We have the power function to raise a base to a given power. We can do that. We can just go ahead and just to comment this line. Okay, and we have like we can go ahead and z is equal to POW power 2 and 3. Just press Control S and hit run. 2 to the power 3, what should be the answer? 8. There you are. We have 8. We can just change the value whenever we want. Just replace 3 by 4, save the program, hit run. Now the answer should be 16, right? There you are. We have 16. To the power 4 is 16, right? Next we have square root function. We can do the square root of any number. We can just write here, just do the command, then z is equal to sqrt for square root, and function you can write. Let's consider 9. Okay, what is the square root of 9? Okay, just press Control S to save the program, hit run. And now what should be the answer? Answer should be 3. There you are. We have your value is 3. The square root of 9 is 3. Got it? Next we have absolute value. We can find the absolute value with the abs function. What is the absolute function? If you place a negative number within the absolute value function, it will give you the positive version of that number. How far it is away from 0, also negative. Just let's go ahead and check. Okay, just z is equal to abs, that is the absolute function. Then let's write -3. Okay, and then Control S. What should be the answer? Answer should be 3, right? There you are. We have your value is 3. The absolute value of -3 is 3, right? Whatever number you want, if you can replace this with say Control S, hit run, then absolute value should be +6. There you are. Your value is 6. Next we have the round function. Let's consider we have x is equal to 3.14. Let's change the value of x to 3.14. Okay, and then just go ahead, write z is equal to round x, right? Let's just see that what is the answer. What should be the answer? If you will round off 3.14, that should be 3. Your value is 3, correct? And if you want to round that number up, there is a ceiling function. You can just write next function called ceiling. Z is equal to ceiling, ceil, ceil function. Okay, and now just type x. Let's consider, okay, just first test it. Okay, there you are, you have 4. If we will go with the ceiling function, then it will round off on top. Okay, it will consider next number. And alternately, there is a next function that's called ground function, or you can do not exactly ground, floor function. Once you consider the floor function, that will round off on the bottom. Let's consider if we have 3.99, that's very close to 4, right? And if we'll consider this, and if you want on floor, then we can do z is equal floor, then just x, and now it will convert 3.99 to 3, will floor it down. There you are, your value is 3. For a specific task, if you want to seal the number that 1.3 to be 4, you can consider this function ceiling. And if you want to consider 3.99 to lower ground that number, or lower that number, round off on the bottom side, you can consider z is equal to floor function. You can use floor function. So yeah, everybody, that's the super quick video on a few useful math related function. Yeah, if you head to the URL, let me just type the URL. Yeah, this is the URL. There is a lot more useful function that you may interested in, but we just covered few of these basics. You can just find a lot of function, like we have used power function, sqrt function. There is a lot function you can use from there. You have to just head to c++.com reference and /math. Okay, and so yeah, those are few useful math related function in C++. Thank you.